ప్రీవియస్ ఓపెన్ కదా
చూస్తాను సార్. మీరు ఏదే చెప్పారు. జరుగుతున్నాయి డైలీ.
క్లాసెస్
అవును, ఇంట్లో యాక్చువల్ నేను ఇవాళ వాళ్ళు రాలేదు. సో నేను వచ్చాను ఇవాళ. వాళ్ళు ఏదో నైట్ టెక్నిక్ రాత్రి ఉంటాయి కదా, సో నన్ను రమ్మంటే నేను వచ్చాను. జనరల్గా స్టార్ట్ చేసేది లేకపోతే స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తారు. ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ చెప్పారు సార్?
క్లాసెస్ అప్లోడ్ చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేసి లేదా లైవ్లే ఉంది. మరి దూరం రాలేదు.
నేను అసలు యాక్చువల్గా నాది లేదు, 10:30కి వస్తాను. ఇవాళ మీరు రాలేదు.
ఏంటంటే ఎవరు మానిటర్ చేయట్లేదు టెక్నికల్, అందుకే నేను డ్రాప్ అయ్యాను. లేకపోతే ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయాయి. నాకు టెక్నికల్ ఇలాంటివి నాకు రావు చేయడం. నాకు ఇదివరకు ఏం చేసినట్టు ఇట్లా పెట్టి వదిలేసిపోయారు. నాకు 10 to 12 ఇడ మళ్ళీ 12:30 దాకా క్లాస్ 12:30 దాకా ఎవరు వచ్చేవారు కాదు. అరే ఏం చేయాలి, ఎవరు రావట్లేదు, మరి ఆన్ చేయాలి ఆఫ్ చేయాలి, ఇవన్నీ నాకు టెక్నికల్ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లం నాకు రావాలి. ఇక రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ తీసుకోలేదు, అందుకే నేను రాలేదు, వేరే ఎవరైనా పెట్టుకోని చెప్పి ఇక ఎవరు లేదు సార్ ఎట్లా చేశారు, ఇక మళ్ళీ బదులాడుతుంది కాదు. అట్లే మరి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. మీరు ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశారో సరిగ్గా 2 hours తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్లీ వచ్చి కట్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే నాకు 12:30 క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది అశోక్ నగర్. అదే మీరు వచ్చి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే నాకు చూపించి వెళ్ళిపోండి ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, మీరు చూసుకోండి. స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే ఓకే, అచ్చా ఉండు వెళ్ళిపోతురా ఉండండి. ఇదేదో సమ్ అప్పుడేదో అనుకున్నాను కదా, ఇది పెట్టుకోవాలి, మళ్ళీ ఇది మర్చిపోయినట్టు అయింది. అరేంజ్ చేసేది ఎక్కడ ఏదో ఉండేది, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పమ్మా. ఇది అరేంజ్ చేసేదంటే ఎరేజర్ ఇక్కడ కదా, ఇదేంటి ఇది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. క్లియర్ చేయడం ఇది. కలర్లు అంటే కలర్లోకి వెళ్ళాలంటే రెడ్ కదా, క్లిక్ చేయాలి కదా, క్లిక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. ఏ కలర్ కావాలంటే ఆ కలర్ ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఇంతేనా? సరే రెడ్ పెడదాం. ఇదేమో ఎరైజర్. ఓకే మీరే రండి, ఇంకా అటెండర్ కాకుండా. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే రైట్. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, very good morning. So now I can explain about the geographic physical features. There are on Earth's surface there are 4 landforms are there. Northern side Himalayan mountains, southern side of the Himalayas there are the Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra plain, and also southern side of this plain Peninsular Plateau. The surrounding of the Peninsular Plateau coastal plains are there. At the same time there are Thar desert on western side of the Aaravali and also islands. Okay, so previous we are completed Himalayan mountains and also some of the Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra plain, which is called as a Great Plain or called Northern Plain. You know that about that. So there are now I can go for the Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra plain. Okay, right. See, look here. This is our North India. This is our North India. Right. Right. On Ganga Sindhu Brahmaputra plain, there are the four divisions. Previous I show that Babar plain, Bangar Terai plain, Bangar plain, and Khadar plain. So that Babar plain, which is called as a pebbles plains or studded zone. Okay, right now then after this Ganga Sindhu Brahmaputra plain is extended eastern side of the Aaravali Mountains. Okay, right. So that Ganga Sindhu Brahmaputra plain again divided into three river basins. They are the first one is a first one is Sindhu plain. That Sindhu plain is extended in Punjab, Haryana, and also second one is the Ganga plain. Second one is the Ganga plain. That Ganga plain is extended in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Third one is the Brahmaputra plain, that is in Assam state. Okay, these are the three river basins. They are in different places in different states. Now I can explain about the Sindhu plain. Generally, this Sindhu plain is extended eastern side of the Aaravali in Punjab, Haryana. In Punjab, Haryana state. So then that Punjab, Haryana, Sindhu plain is extended in Punjab, Haryana state. So, and Ganga plain is extended Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and West Bengal. So in India, which is the biggest plain means Ganga plain. That is the maximum river basin is in Uttar Pradesh, is in Bihar and also West Bengal. So Brahmaputra plain is extended in Assam state. Brahmaputra plain is extended in Assam state. So these are the three major river basin of India. So now I can go for the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Okay. బెల్ పని చేయట్లే ఇది పడట్లేదు చూడండి పెన్ను సడన్ గా కట్ అయిపోయింది క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తారా ఆఫ్ చేయండి అదేంటి అందులోకి వెళ్ళాలా పెన్ను ఉంది అక్కడ చూడండి ఆ పెన్ను కార్డు క్లిక్ చేయండి Hello friends, sorry for the disturbance. So right, this is about the Himalayan mountains. This is Himalayan mountains. This is Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra plain. This is about the Aaravali. This is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and also this is Assam. Assam. Okay, right. This Sindhu plain is extended in Punjab and also Haryana. This Sindhu river is passing through the two states, Punjab, Haryana, and also Ganga River is passing from the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, like this is entered into the Bay of Bengal. Brahmaputra River is entered into the Assam state, like this. These are the three major rivers, they are passing through the India. Okay, right. Now next I can explain about that. Right. Now about the Peninsular Plateau. Now about the Peninsular Plateau. Right. This is Peninsular Plateau, means South India. So this is about the this is Aaravali Mountains. Okay. These are the Aaravali Mountains. Right. Eastern side of the Aaravali, Bundelkhand Plateau is there. Bundelkhand Plateau. Right. Now, northeastern side, southern side of the Aaravali, here one of the plateau is there, this is a Malwa Plateau, right. Southern side of the Malwa Plateau, Vindhya Mountains, southern side of the Vindhya Mountain, Sakura Mountains are there, Vindhya, Sakura. Southern side of the Vindhya, Sakura, Dakhan Plateau is there. This is Dakhan Plateau, right. So, surrounding of the Dakhan Plateau, these are the Western Ghats. Eastern side of the Dakhan Plateau, this is about the Eastern Ghats. Okay, right. Right now, see here, eastern side of the Vindhya Mountain, here one plateau is there. This name of the plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Right now, see, this eastern Western Ghats, both are the right. So, what about the Peninsular Plateau? Now, about the we are explaining about the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau, which is extended southern side of the Ganga Sindhu Brahmaputra plain. Its total area of the Peninsular Plateau is 16 lakh square kilometer. Whatever the total area of the Peninsular Plateau, 16 lakh square kilometers. So is looking like a triangle shape. Whatever the shape of the Peninsular Plateau, triangle is looking like a triangle shape. Okay, right. Boundaries of the Peninsular Plateau. Right now, see. See, this is Aaravali Mountains. These are extended northwestern side of the India. This is a Bundelkhand Plateau, which is extended northern side of the Peninsular Plateau. Is a Raj Mahal Hills are called, which is called as a Raj Mahal Hills. Raj Mahal Hills extended northeastern side of the India in Jharkhand. Now you can see here this Aaravali Mountain, these are extended in Rajasthan. Okay, so this is Bundelkhand Plateau, which is extended in Madhya Pradesh, some of the part in Uttar Pradesh, which is extended in two states, Okay, right. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is in in Jharkhand state. Is a Malwa Plateau. This is in Madhya Pradesh. Is a Vindhya Mountain. These are also in Madhya Pradesh. This is the Sakura Mountain. These are also in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, right. Southern side of the Satpura Mountain, Deccan Plateau is extended. Okay, western side of the Peninsular Plateau, Western Ghats, and eastern side of the Peninsular Plateau, Eastern Ghats. Okay. Right. Now, eastern side of the India, eastern side of the Peninsular Plateau, which is called as a Eastern Ghats. The western side of the Peninsular Plateau, Western Ghats. Southern side of the Peninsular Plateau, which is called as a Kanyakumari, is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, this is about the structure of the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular means that extent, that boundaries are, peninsular means any one of the landmass is connected with three sides with water, another side with the land body is connected. Like that, landmass is called as a peninsula. Okay, वो three side पानी रहते और एक side वो land रहता, ऐसा बोले तो उसका तो peninsula बोलते रहता. Okay, right now see, now about the Aaravali Mountain. Right now see here, now I can explain about the Aaravali. Right now see, this is about the Aaravali Mountains. This Aaravali Mountains, these are maximum in Rajasthan. Aaravali Mountains, these are the, on Aaravali Mountain, one of the highest peak is there. This is a Gourmet Peak, Guru Shikhar Peak, which is called as a Guru Shikhar Peak. So this is a highest peak on Aaravali. Its height, it will be 1720 meter, 22 meter, 1722 meters height of the Guru Shikhar, which is on the Aaravali Mountains in Rajasthan. Is a Rajasthan में रहता highest peak बोलते हैं उसका नाम है Guru Shikhar Peak. इसका height it will be from sea level. Okay, so 1722 meters is in Rajasthan. Okay, so this Guru Shikhar is extended from This is a Aaravali. Right now, see, is extension of the Aaravali is from northeastern to southwestern direction. So what about the Aaravali Mountains are extended from which direction to which direction? Means is from starting from the southwestern side to gradually these are extended up to northeastern direction. Is already is given, previous a questions is given. So Aaravali, they are extended from which direction to which direction? Okay, right. What about the Guru Shikhar peak is a highest peak in Rajasthan, that is on the Aaravali mountain. So that is on the Aaravali mountain, that is on the, that is 1722 meter height. Okay, so in India, which is the oldest mountain? Means Aaravali. Aaravali mountains, these are oldest mountain in India. Oldest mountains in India. Okay, right. Now say second one. Right now, see here, Bundelkhand Plateau here. Bundelkhand Plateau, which is extended Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So this is famous for the metallic mineral, like a coal, iron, and also copper, zinc, like that. Different type of the minerals are under this Bundelkhand Plateau. Okay, right. Is a Raj Mahal Hills. These are in Jharkhand state. These are very famous for the copper, zinc, mica, iron, and also coal. Maximum in Raj Mahal Hills, this type of the minerals are available. Right now, see here, Malwa Plateau is there. That Malwa Plateau is in Madhya Pradesh. This is a second biggest plateau in India after the Deccan Plateau. Right now, this is a Deccan Plateau. This is a Malwa Plateau. In India, which is first two biggest plateau? Means Deccan Plateau, first biggest. Second one is the Malwa Plateau. Okay, right. Malwa Plateau is in Madhya Pradesh. Is a famous for the minerals. All type of the minerals, metallic mineral, non-metallic minerals are under this valley, under this plateau. So from this plateau, Chambal River is passing. From Malwa Plateau, which river is passing? Means Chambal River. So in India, third biggest rift valley, Chambal Rift Valley, that is on the Malwa Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, right. Now this is Vindhya Mountain. This is about the Vindhya Mountains. Vindhya Mountains, these are extended in Madhya Pradesh, 1050 kilometers length of the Vindhya. So from Vindhya Mountain, Chambal River, Betwa River, and also Mahi River. These are three rivers. They are taken the birth from the Vindhya Mountains. In India, which is the biggest, which is the longest block mountains? Block continental mountains means Vindhya Mountain. Which is longest block mountains means Vindhya. Okay, right. Next, Satpura. So Satpura, its length is 750 kilometers, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Which is in Madhya Pradesh, is a second longest black mountains after the Vindhya. Okay, so from Vindhya Mountain, Tapati River is taken the birth like this. This is a Tapati River is coming from the which mountains? Means Satpura. Right. In between Vindhya and Satpura, one river is taken the birth, that is a Narmada River. Narmada River is passing between Vindhya Mountains in Madhya Pradesh, and also next after Vindhya, Narmada, next parallelly Tapati River is passing towards the Arabian Sea. Right now, see, southern side of the Vindhya Mountain, Narmada River is passing towards the western side, finally, which is entered into the Arabia. Next, Sakura Mountain. Sakura Mountains, southern side of the Sakura, one river is passing, that is the Tapati River. Okay, Tapati and Sakura both are the passing parallel towards the Arabian Sea. Okay, right. Now next, here one more plateau is there. This is the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is maximum in Jharkhand. Chota Nagpur Plateau is in India second highest plateau after the Ladakh Plateau. Okay, which is the highest plateau in India means Ladakh Plateau. Second highest plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, which extended in Jharkhand. So this Chota Nagpur is famous for the minerals. Number of minerals are available under this Chota Nagpur Plateau, like all type of the minerals, maximum iron, coal, and manganese, copper, zinc, mica, thorium, uranium, and coal. Like this, all type of the minerals are available under the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, so due to this, Chota Nagpur is called as a part of the mineral, is a number one in India, maximum minerals under this Chota Nagpur. That's why which is called as a mineral plateau and also part of the mineral. And Chota Nagpur is called as a heart of the mineral. Chota Nagpur is called as a root of the India. These are the another names of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, right. Right now, see here. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is also Deccan Plateau. These are the southern side of the borderline. Northern side, Sakura Mountains are there. Sakura Mountains. These are Western Ghats. These are Eastern Ghats. Both are joining at the Nilagiri. Nilagiri is in Tamil Nadu. Right now, see, this is about the Deccan Plateau. Now about the Deccan Plateau. Right. Right. The total area of the Deccan Plateau, 7 lakh square kilometers, is a one of the part in Peninsular Plateau. In Peninsular, this is one of the part. In Peninsular, one of the parts. Okay, right. Peninsular Plateau area 7 lakh kilometer is looking like a triangle shape. What about the shape? Triangle shape. Okay, right. Now, what about the Deccan Plateau boundary lines? Boundary lines of the Deccan Plateau. Northern side, Sakura Mountain. Southern side, Nilagiri Mountain. Western side, Western Ghats. Eastern side, Eastern Ghats. These are the major border lines of the major borders of the peninsular Deccan Plateau. Right. This Deccan Plateau is in India, is a biggest plateau according to the area. biggest plateau in India is a, so Deccan Plateau, according to the area, biggest Deccan Plateau is internal structure of the Deccan Plateau is composing with the different type of the rocks. That group of the rocks is called as a Archaean Rocks. Archaean Rocks. Stones, Archaean Rocks. There are the so many Archaean rocks are there. Is a group of the rocks is called Archaean. Archean is a period of the Earth formation period. So in Archean rock period, there are the so many rocks in Archean. They are the lava rocks, Gondwana rocks, and Bostal rock, and granite rock, and schist rock, and also gneiss rock. Gneiss. These are total number of rocks are there. These are the name of the rocks. This group of the rocks is called as a Archean rocks. Okay, right. So these are in Deccan Plateau is a average elevation of the Deccan Plateau. This Deccan Plateau average elevation at western side 900 meters to eastern side, which height it will be 300 meters. Right now, see meters. At western side means this side is its height it will be 900. This side height it will be only 300 meters. In between this Deccan Plateau, gradually that height it will be gradually decreasing towards go to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so that's why in Deccan Plateau, from the Deccan Plateau, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri. Like this, major rivers, they are passing through this Deccan Plateau. Why? Because this Deccan Plateau is lean towards the Bay of Bengal. Means Deccan Plateau has a maximum slope towards Bay of Bengal. That's why that all are the rivers, they can enter into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, right. So this Deccan Plateau, right. Right. Now about the right. This Deccan Plateau again divided into 3 groups. Okay, right. Upper, this part is called as a Maharashtra Plateau, which is called Maharashtra Plateau. This is our Telangana Plateau. This is Karnataka Plateau. Okay, these are the 3 plateaus. So Deccan Plateau again divided into 3 sub-plateaus on the basis of the internal structure of the rock composing. So in Maharashtra Plateau, which is composing with the lava rocks, volcanic lava rocks is under this Maharashtra Plateau. Under Telangana Plateau is composing with the Gondwana rocks and also Bostal rocks. Karnataka Plateau, granite and cyst rocks is composing like this. Okay, right. Now I can explain about the Telangana Plateau. Now I can go for the Telangana Plateau. Right. Telangana Plateau. Telangana Plateau or Telangana physical features are called Telangana physical features. Okay, right. Now see here. This is our Telangana. This is our Telangana. Right. Now see here. From north to Telangana, Godavari River is passing like this, has entered into the Andhra Pradesh, Godavari. Right. This is the Krishna River is passing like this, is finally entered into the Andhra Pradesh. This is the Godavari Krishna rivers. So that Godavari Krishna River basin, right now see here, this Godavari River basin, this is the Godavari River basin. This is the Krishna River basin. Godavari Krishna River basin, in between this region is called as a Telangana Plateau. There are the three regions on the Telangana Plateau. There are the hills and also plateaus and also plains. These are the three landforms on in Telangana at the surface. Okay, right. Now I can explain about the hills. Okay, so Telangana is a one of the plateau. On this Telangana plateau, there are the so many sub plateaus are there. Plains means this is a Godavari basin means Godavari plain, and also this is the Krishna basin means Krishna plain. Okay, there are right. Whatever the average elevation of the Telangana average elevation from west to go to the eastern side is a 600 to 480 meters. This is a average elevation of Telangana. At Western Ghat, western side 600, gradually to go to the eastern side, that height it will be gradually decrease up to 480 meters. Okay, right. That's why this Godavari Krishna River both are passing towards the eastern side means Andhra Pradesh, finally entered into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so at present our Telangana is a 33 districts. Which district has a average elevation means Hyderabad. Hyderabad average elevation is 600 meters height from the sea level. Right now see this Hyderabad, to compare to the other district, Hyderabad is a maximum elevation from the sea level. So 600 meters. Which district has a maximum height means Hyderabad. Okay, right. In Telangana, there are these so many hills are there. There are these so many hills. Number of the hills in Telangana state, they are the one of the major in Adilabad, Satmala Hills, and also Nirmal here. In Nirmal, there are the Nirmal Hills, and also Komarambim, there are the Komarambim Sirpur Hills, and also Jagitiala, Ramagiri Hills, and also Karimnagar, Goli Hills, and also Peddapalli, generally Rocky Hills. And also in Jaishankar, there are the Pandava Hills, and also in Mahbubabad, Warangal, and also Bhadradri. On this districts, there are the Duma Hills, and also in Bhadradri districts, there are the Papi Hills are there. In Khammam districts, there are the Raja Hills. Okay, right. In Nizamabad and also Kamareddy, there are the Sirnapalli Hills. In Medak and also in Medak district, Burju Hills. In Siddipet, there are the Lakshmi Devi Palli Hills. In Telangana, which hills are highest means Lakshmi Devi Palli Hills. They are the average height. It will be more than height of the other hills. Okay, and also there are the Sirnapalli Hills. Right now, see in Yadadri, Hyderabad, Rangareddy. In 3 districts, there are the Rachakonda Hills are there. Next, in Nalgonda district, Nagar Karnool districts, Nallamala Hills are there. Nallagala Hills, these are extended on both sides of the Krishna River. Nallamala Hills, these are in Telangana, highest, so in Telangana, longest and also oldest hills in Telangana. Oldest and longest hills, Nallamala Hills. These are hills extended and both sides of the Krishna River in Nagar Karnool in Nalgonda districts. Okay, so in between Nallamala Hills, one of the tiger project is there. That is the Amrabad Tiger Project, are called as a Rajiv Gandhi Tiger Project. This is in South India, is according to the area, is a biggest tiger project. So average elevation of the Nallamala Hills is a more than 500-meter height. So its length is the 115 kilometers length of the Nallamala Hills. These are extended into Andhra Pradesh in Kurnool district. These are extended in Kurnool district. Okay, right now see here Nallamala Hills. Right, in Nalgonda district, there are the Nandi Hills. On that Nandi Hills, Nagarjuna Sagar project is constructed on Nandi Hills. And also Devarakonda Hills also is there. Devarakonda Hills. Right. In Nagar Karnool and Mahbubnagar districts, there are the Shabad Hills. Okay. Right. In Vikarabad, there are the Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad, Anantagiri Hills. In Narayanapet, there are the Amrabad Hills, the Shabad Hills. Okay, right. Like this, there are the so many hills on Telangana plateaus in different districts, in different places. Okay, right. This is about the Telangana region. Okay, so this Godavari basin is composing internal structure of the Godavari basin is composing with Godavari basin internal structure is composing with the Gondwana rocks. Gondwana rocks. Right, Gondwana rocks is a major rocks in Telangana. Under these Gondwana rocks, there are the valuable in Gondwana rocks. This like this Gondwana rock. In between the Gondwana rock, we are getting the costliest coal is a Gondwana coal. Gondwana coal is available under the Gondwana rocks and surrounding of the Godavari River basin. Gondwana coal is in world oldest coal. Oldest coal is a high fuel coal also, which is called high fuel coal. So this, like this Gondwana coal here called as a Singareni coal also, which is called. What about the another name of the Gondwana coal? Gondwana coal, another name Singareni coal also is called. So why which is called as a Singareni coal means first that Gondwana coal is identified at the Singareni village in Bhadradri district. That's why that Singareni coal is called as a Gondwana coal is called as a Singareni coal. So here that coal production it will be under the Singareni Calories Company Limited is at Bhadradri. This company is established in Bhadradri district. In Bhadradri district at Kottagudem, which is established. Okay, this is about the Singareni. Right. Next, after that, I can go for the coastal plains. Right now, see, this is here Western Ghats. This is about the Western Ghats. This is about the Eastern Ghats. This is right. So this part of the from here Ran of Kutch, from Ran of Kutch to up to here Kanyakumari, up to Kanyakumari. This is a peninsular, this is a west coastal plain, which is called west coastal plain. Right. From here is a Haldia to up to Kanyakumari, which is called as a east coastal plain. Right now, see, west coastal and east coastal. West coastal is compared to the east coastal, which is looking like a narrow. East coastal, which is looking like a 2 times of the west coastal plain. This west coastal plain is extended in 5 states, is in Gujarat. This is in Maharashtra. This is Goa. This is Karnataka. This is Kerala. Is extended 5 states. So its total length of the west coastal plain, total length 1600 kilometers in 5 states. One of the states is a Gujarat. In Gujarat, this west coastal plain is called from Ran of Kutch to up to Gujarat is called as a Kathiawar coastal plain. What about the another name of the Gujarat means Kathiawar coastal plain. Second is the Goa. This is the Goa. This coastal plain is called as a this is second is a Maharashtra coastal plain is from year to year. Maharashtra coastal plain, which is called as a Konkani coastal plain. Konkani coastal plain. And third one is the Goa. Is a Goa coastal plain is called as a same Konkani coastal plain. Right. Fourth one is a Karnataka. Karnataka coastal plain, which is called as a Canara coastal plain. Canara coastal plain. Now last one is the Kerala. Now is a fifth one is a Kerala. Kerala coastal plain, which is called as a Malabar coastal plain. Okay, Malabar coastal plain. Okay, like this, West coastal plain has a different name. They are in Gujarat, Kathiawar, in Maharashtra, Konkani, and Goa also Konkani, Karnataka, Canara, Kerala, Malabar coastal plain. Okay, right now about the East coastal plain. Now about the East coastal plain. Its total length is the 1200 and right. 1200 kilometers, right? This 1200 kilometers East coastal plain is extended in 4 states. Is a in West Bengal. This is in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. This is in Andhra Pradesh. This is in Tamil Nadu. These are the 4 states extended in East coastal plain. The name of these states, first one is a West Bengal. West Bengal coastal plain, which is called as a Bengal coastal plain. Bengal coastal plain. Second is the Odisha. In Odisha, which is called as a Utkal coastal plain. Third one is the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh coastal plain, which is called as a Sarkar coastal plain. Fourth one is the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, which is called as a Konkani Coromandel. Coromandel coastal plain. These are the coastal plains of the India. Okay, right now this is about the coastal plain. Right. Now I can go for the Western Ghats. Western Ghats. This is Eastern Ghats. Both are joining at the Nilagiri Mountain. This is in Tamil Nadu. This is Kanyakumari. Right. The total length of the Western Ghats. This is about the Western Ghats. This is about the Eastern Ghats. Right. Western Ghats. The length of the Western Ghats is 1500 kilometers from Khandesh is a Khandesh to Kanyakumari. Its total length is the 1500 kilometers. So Western Ghats extended in 4 states in Maharashtra. Second is the Goa. Third one is the Karnataka. Fourth one is the Kerala. These are in 4 states. So these are Western Ghats. In South India, first 3 longest passes. There are the 3 longest passes. One is the Palghat Pass. Second is the Talghat Pass. Third one is the Borghat. Okay, these are the 3 passes, right? First one is this is in South India, longest passes. It's a 24 kilometers in between Tamil Nadu and Kerala, which is extended southern side of the Nilagiri. This is the Talghat Pass. Okay, Talghat Pass. And Borghat, Talghat, both are in Maharashtra. This is Talghat, Borghat in Maharashtra. Right. This is about the Nilagiri Mountain. This is Nilagiri. Right now, see, Nilagiri Mountains is in Tamil Nadu. At Nilagiri, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats both are joining at the Nilagiri Mountains. So Nilagiri in South India is a famous for the tea coffee garden. Nilagiri is famous for the tea and coffee. Okay, right. So on Nilagiri Mountain, this is Nilagiri. Suppose this is on Nilagiri. You can see here Nilagiri Mountain. From sea level, its height it will be 2,600 meters from sea level height of the Nilagiri. On Nilagiri, one of the hill station is there, Ooty or Udaka Mandal. Ooty or Udaka Mandal is a famous in South India hill station, right? On this hill station, one of the highest peak is there. This is the Doda Betta peak. Doda Betta peak, 36 meter height from the sea level. Doda Betta is in South India, second highest peak. Okay, right. Next after Nilagiri, here one more mountains are there. These are called as a Annamalai Mountain. Annamalai Mountains. These are in Kerala state, which is a famous for the tea, coffee, rubber, tea, coffee, rubber, coconut. Okay. So next after on this Annamalai Mountain, there are in South India, first highest peak is there. That is a Anai Mudi. Anai Mudi peak is a height, it will be 2695 meters height it will be from sea level. Okay, right. Next after Annamalai, there are the Cardamom Hills are there. Cardamom Hills. Cardamom Hills. These are Cardamom Hills in Kerala. Is famous for the spices. In India, Kerala is the #1 in production of the spices. Okay, right. Spices. Right. Next, after the Cardamom Hills, there are the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari, which is a south extreme point of the place of the India, means Kanyakumari. South extreme place of India, Kanyakumari. सबसे नीचे रहते कन्याकुमारी. वो in Tamil Nadu में is a one of the famous city, is a coastal city of India. So this is about the Western Ghats, and also now I can go for the Eastern Ghats. This Eastern Ghats, it will be in 3 states. Is in Odisha, is in Andhra Pradesh. This is in Tamil Nadu. Eastern Ghats total length is the 1200 meters. 1200 meters. These are in 3 states: Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. In Odisha, these are Eastern Ghats are called Northern Hills. And also in Andhra Pradesh, these called Kadapa Hills. In Tamil Nadu, these are called Tamil Nadu Hills. Tamil Nadu Hills also, which is called. Okay. This is about the Eastern Ghats. Right. Now, next I can go for the Thar Desert. Right. Thar Desert. Right now, see here. Right. This is Thar Desert. This is a Aaravali Mountain. Aaravali Mountains, which is in Rajasthan. This is Thar Desert. This Thar Desert is extended in 2 countries. They are in India and also Pakistan. This Thar Desert is extended western side of Aaravali in Rajasthan. Okay, Thar Desert is complete in Rajasthan. So, and also in India, in Rajasthan, and some of the part it will be in Pakistan. 75% of the Thar Desert is in India. Only 25% only in Pakistan. Okay, right. In India, this Thar Desert, which is called as a Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. So, what about the another name of the Thar Desert in India means Great Indian Desert. Okay, right. And also some of the part is in Pakistan. So this Thar Desert generally, which is extended to countries. Okay, right. From this Thar desert, one river is passing, that is the Indus. Which river is passing from the Thar desert? Indus. Means Sindhu River. Sindhu River. Right. Next, after this, in Thar desert, in Indian Thar desert, there are the three major districts. They are extended in Rajasthan. That name of the districts, Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer. Second is the Jodhpur. Jodhpur. Third one is the Barmar. These are the hottest district in India, more hottest in India, Jaisalmer. Here recorded up to now 50 degrees centigrade is recorded highest up to now. Whatever the highest temperature is recorded in India, highest 50 degrees centigrade. So here least rainfall is recorded only 12 centimeters. Least rainfall and highest temperature recorded in northwestern side of the India, that is in Rajasthan, that is in Jaisalmer. Okay, so now this is about the Thar desert. Right. Next, islands. Next, I can go for the islands. Islands. There are the, at present, our India has the 247 islands. These are 247 islands, again divided into two groups. One is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. These are total number of islands, 204 islands. These are in Bay of Bengal, right? These are in Bay of Bengal, right? Second is the Lakshadweeps. Lakshadweeps is a, there are 36 islands. These are islands in Arabian Sea. Right. Next three, Gulf of Mannar Island. Gulf of Mannar Islands. These are 7 islands, is in Indian Ocean. This is in Indian Ocean between India and Sri Lanka. These are the three group of the islands. They are separated. Right. Now I can explain about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 204 islands. These are in Bay of Bengal. Right now, see. These are Andaman. These are Andaman Island. Okay, right. In Andaman Island, some islands, according to this size, it will be more. Some islands, they are looking like a very small, like this. Right. Right now, see, Andaman Nicobar Islands, these are extended in between 6 degrees to north extreme latitude is a 14-degree latitude. Right now, see, this is a 6 degree latitude to 14 degree. So Andaman Nicobar Islands, these are extended in between 6 degrees to 14 degrees in Bay of Bengal. Right now, see here, there are in Andaman Nicobar, there are two groups are there, Andaman Island and also Nicobar Islands, right? In Andaman Island and Nicobar Island, both are separated into two groups by 10-degree channel. Is a channel by 10-degree channel, which is divided into two groups. Okay, upper group of the Andaman Nicobar which is called as a Andaman Islands. Lower islands, these are called Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands, both are the groups, they are separated by 10-degree channel. Okay, so in Andaman Island, there are four major islands are there. This is North Island. This is Middle Island. This is South Island. This is Little Island. Okay, like this called. So here one of the major island is there, is a Great Nicobar Island. Great Nicobar Island. So in Andaman Nicobar which is a biggest in area, means is a Middle Andaman is a biggest island in India. In Nicobar Island is a biggest is a Great Nicobar Island. Okay, right. The capital of the Andaman Nicobar is a Port Blair is in which island, means South Island. Okay, in South Island there are Port Blair is established. Port Blair is in which island, means South Island. Okay, right. Which is a south extreme island, means Great Nicobar Island is south extreme island. So which is a south extreme place of India, means Indira Point. Indira Point, and also which is called as a Pygmalion Point also, which is called. This is in south extreme point of India, including island. Which is a south extreme place of the India, means Kanyakumari. So including island, which is means Indira Point is a in south. In including island, which is a south extreme place, means Indira Point. Without island, which is a south extreme point, means Kanyakumari. Okay, right. At present, our India has two volcanic mountains. Our present India has two volcanic islands. Means there are one is the Barren Island, second is the Narkandam Island. Okay, Barren Island is in which island, means Middle Andaman. Middle Andaman. Middle Andaman. Narkandam means is in North Andaman. Okay, is about this chapter. Right now, I can explain about this. Lakshadweep, second group of the islands is a Lakshadweep. Second is the Lakshadweeps, right? Lakshadweeps, these are 36 islands in Arabian Sea. Okay, right. Right now, see, this is Lakshadweeps. Okay, right now, see your structure. These are looking like a very small island like this. These are looking like a very small islands. These are Nicobar, Lakshadweeps. These are extended in between 8 degrees to 12-degree latitude, right? Lakshadweeps, these are extended in between 8 to 12-degree latitudes. In Arabian Sea, there are the total number of islands 36. Okay, right. So in Lakshadweeps, there are the 36 islands. From 36, which is a biggest, first biggest means Minicoy Island, first biggest, is the biggest, first one. Second is the Suheli Island, is the second biggest in island. In Andaman Nicobar, first biggest, Middle Andaman, and in Lakshadweep, first biggest island Minicoy, second is the Suheli, right? Now see, and first two biggest islands both are separated by the 9-degree channel. By which channel? Minicoy, Suheli islands are separate means 8 degree. So this is also one of the channel, 8-degree channel. Okay, right. Southern side of the 8-degree channel, here one group of the islands are there. The name of the island, Maldives. Maldives Islands. Maldives is one of the country in world, is a smallest country in Asian continent. In world, which is the smallest country, means that is the Vatican City. In Asian continent, which is the smallest, means Maldives, right? This is a Maldives. Maldives and also Lakshadweeps. Maldives and also Lakshadweeps. This both are the separated by 8-degree channel. By 8-degree channel, two group of the islands, they are separated, Maldives and also Lakshadweeps. Lakshadweeps is a group of the islands in India. That's why India and Bharat both are separated by 8-degree channel. Okay, Minicoy Island, Maldives, both are separated by 8-degree channel. Is a capital of the Lakshadweeps, is that name of the capital Kavaratti is a capital of the Lakshadweeps, that is near to the 11-degree channel, 11-degree latitude. Okay, this is about the Lakshadweeps, which has another name, is a Coral Island. Coral Islands means is a Pearl Islands also, which is called. Okay, right. This is about the Lakshadweeps. Now I can go for the Gulf of Mannar Islands. Now third one is a Gulf of Mannar Island. Gulf of Mannar Islands. Right. There are the total number of islands, 7. These are extended in between India and Sri Lanka. Okay. Right. Right now, see here. So these are in between India and Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. So this is a Gulf of Mannar. Gulf means there are the more two gulfs. This sea water is penetrated into continental body. Like this is called as a gulfs. Here Gulf of Kutch, here Gulf of Mannar, here Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar. In near to the Gulf of Mannar, here some islands are there. These are called as a Gulf of Mannar Islands. This name of the Gulf, this name of the island Rameshwaram Island is a Dhanushkot Island is a Pamban Island. This is a Pamban Island. Okay, right. In between India, Sri Lanka, there are the one bridge is there. This is a Ramasetu, are called Adam Bridge. Ramasetu, Adam Bridge, which is in India, is a one of the spiritual bridge. Is a not a artificial, is constructed by the Sri Rama. Is a main is a opinion of the peoples. So in between India and Sri Lanka, there are the one of the water bodies there. This name of the water body, Park Strait. Palk Strait. Palk Strait is in between India, Sri Lanka in Indian Ocean. So which country is near to India in ocean means Sri Lanka is nearest country to the India in ocean. Is a Sri Lanka nearest country. Okay, right. This is about the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, right. Now I can go for the rivers, Indian rivers. Indian and Telangana rivers. India and Telangana rivers. So at present Indian agriculture is depending on the monsoon and also river irrigation, right? So due to this, Indian rivers, they are divided into two groups on the basis of the origin. So there are the Indian rivers are divided two groups. One is the Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers. Second is the Peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers. Right now, see, Himalayan rivers that all are the taken the birth from the above of the any one of the glacier. Any one of the glacier. Okay, right. Now, this is about the Himalayan rivers, Himalayans. That all are the rivers, they are the taken the birth from Sindhu River, Ganga River, Brahmaputra River. These are the major rivers of India in North Indian. These are Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra rivers. These are taken the birth from the any one of the glacier. Glaciers. Glacier means is a hard ice cube, hard ice bonded snow piece. From glacier, Himalayan rivers are taken the birth. And also, depending on the rainfall for that water resource. In South Indian rivers, they are taken the birth from maximum from the Western Ghats, is a Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapati, like this South Indian rivers. Himalayan rivers, their main water resource, that's snow melt water and also rainwater. In peninsular rivers, their main rivers, they are the depending on the rainfall. Rainfall. Peninsular rivers, their main water resource, rainfall, southwest monsoon. Okay, right. In India, which is a generally Himalayan rivers are called perennial river. Perennial rivers. Perennial means these are rivers with always with water. These are non-perennial rivers, means here in Peninsular Plateau, they have the no snow melt glaciers. So, which is the oldest river in India means North Indian rivers is the youngest river, youngest to compare to the South India. South Indian rivers means Peninsular rivers, their main they are depending on the rainfall. These are the oldest river in India, oldest river in India. Which is a oldest river in India means Ganga River. Ganga River is a youngest. And also, which is the oldest means Godavari. Godavari is a oldest river in India. Okay, this is about the importance of the rivers, right? Now I can go for the Himalayan river system. Right, now explain about the Indus means Sindhu. Another name of the Indus means Sindhu River. Right. Sindhu River is a one of the major river. Indian civilization is developed on the surrounding of the Sindhu River. Right. Sindhu River, which taken the birth. Sindhu River, which taken the birth. This is the Tibet, is a Nepal. This is the Bhutan. Right. This is about the Kailash Mountain. This is Kailash Mountain. Is a Tibet. So on Kailash, one of the lake is there. this is the name of the lake. Manasa Sarovar Lake is in world Hindu spiritual lake. From Sindhu River, from Manasa Sarovar, Sindhu River is taken the birth like this, is passing toward the Jammu Kashmir to, is a through India to, next it is entered into the Pakistan. This is the Arabian Sea. Is finally the Sindhu River is entered into the Arabia from Karachi. Karachi city. From Karachi, Sindhu is entered into the Arabia. Okay. Is a birthplace is a at Manasa Sarovar. Next it is entered into the Ladakh, means it is passing from the Jammu Kashmir. Next to Pakistan, from Pakistan to it is entered into, and from next Pakistan to Arabian Sea, right? So this Sindhu River, its total length of the Sindhu River, is 2,880 kilometers in Tibet, India and Pakistan. It is passing from from India only Ladakh, 710 kilometers only, which is passing from the Ladakh. Okay, right. Next, it is only Jammu Kashmir. Okay, right. Which has a two type of the tributaries, left side tributaries, and also left side tributaries means from they are coming like this. These are called right side tributaries. Like this, tributaries are called left side tributaries. Right side now, right side tributary of the Sindhu. Right side tributary of the Sindhu. The name of the tributary is Gilgit. Gilgit, Dras, Kabul, and Shok, Galwan, like this. These are the main tributaries of the Sindhu from left side. Left side tributaries, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. These are the major tributaries of the Sindhu. Okay, so which is the longest tributary of the Sindhu means Satluj, longest. Which is the smallest means Beas. Which is the biggest means Chenab rivers. Okay, so in between India and Pakistan is about that Sindhu River, their contribution of the India-Pakistan between in 1960, one agreement is in between India-Pakistan about this Sindhu and their tributaries. So in 1960, about that contribution, about this distribution of the Sindhu rivers, they are the Sindhu, one agreement between India and Pakistan. India can only use 20% of the water resource of the Sindhu, remaining of the 80% of the water to the Pakistan, right? And also Jhelum water is complete using by the Pakistan, and Jhelum, Chenab also complete rights on Chenab River, Pakistan, and also Ravi, Beas and Satluj. On these three rivers, they are the India has the complete rights to utilize the water resource. Okay, this is about the Sindhu. Right. Next, Brahmaputra River. Next, after that, Brahmaputra River. Right. Now, this is also taken the birth on Himalayan mountains. Right. This is Nepal, this is Bhutan, this is Tibet. Right. Now this is Kailash Mountains. This is Manasa Sarovar Lake. From Manasa Sarovar, Brahmaputra is taken the birth, is coming entered into the India from Arunachal Pradesh. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Next from is entered into the Assam. This is Assam. From Assam to is next entered into the Bangladesh. Okay, this is Bangladesh. Right. Right now, see Brahmaputra River, its origin, its birthplace is near to the Manasa Sarovar, near to the Manasa Sarovar in on Kailash Mountain in Tibet. Is next from Tibet to is entered into the India, is passing from the India, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Next from India to is next entered into the Bangladesh. From Bangladesh is entered into the Bay of Bengal from Sagar Island. Right, birthplace Manasa Sarovar, its death place is in near to the from Bangladesh to is next entered into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, is it right? Its total length of the Brahmaputra is 2,909 kilometers in Tibet, India, and Bangladesh. From India, which is passing from the Arunachal Pradesh and also Assam. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. In between two countries, which passes to the 825 kilometers only through India. Right. From is a West Bengal. This is West Bengal. Is a Ganga River is coming from the Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar in West Bengal is divided two distributaries. One of the distributary which is called as a Padma is called as a Padma. Another distribution which is called as a Ugli River. Ugli. Right. Whatever the another name of the Ganga in West Bengal means Ugli. Whatever the another name of the Ganga in Bangladesh means Padma. Okay. Padma means Ganga and also Brahmaputra. Both are the joining at the Godangal in Bangladesh. Okay. Right. Right now, see. So, In North Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is called as a Jamuna. After joining the Padma, which is called as a Meghana. After joining the Ganga, Brahmaputra is called Meghana. Before joining the Padma, in North Bangladesh, this Brahmaputra is called Jamuna. Okay. In Arunachal Pradesh, this Brahmaputra is called as a Dihang River. Another name of the Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh, Dihang. In Assam, which is called as a Red River. Another name of the Brahmaputra in Assam, Red River. Another name of the Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh, Dihang. Okay, right. In Tibet, this Brahmaputra is called as a Sangpo River. Sangpo River is another name. Okay, like this rivers. This is the Brahmaputra tributaries. There are the Teesta is a major river. Barak, and also Manas, Lohita, Subansiri, Dhanasiri, these are the tributary of the Sindhu River. Okay, this is about the Sindhu. Right, now next I can go for the Ganga River. Right, now about the Ganga. Ganga is not a single river, is a integrated river of Bhagirathi, and Alakananda. Right. Right. This is Uttarakhand. This is Uttar Pradesh. This is Bihar. This is West Bengal. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Ganga River is taken the birth. Bhagirathi is taken the birth at the Gangotri Glacier. Gangotri Glacier is a Alakananda is taken the birth at the Badrinath. Badrinath. Both are in Uttarakhand. Both are in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. Right. In Uttarakhand is a Gangotri Glacier. Is a Badrinath Glacier. Right. From Gangotri Glacier, Badrinath, sorry, Bhagirathi, from Badrinath to Alakananda. Both our river is coming Badri. This is a Bhagirathi This is Alakananda. This both are the joining at Devaprayaga. Right, at Devaprayaga in Uttarakhand, these both are the joining as a Ganga River. This Ganga is coming from Devaprayaga to Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Is divided into two distributaries. One of the distributaries is called as a Padma, is in Bangladesh. Is a Padma, is a Brahmaputra is entered like this. Right. One more is the Hooghly River. This is called as a Hooghly River. So this Ganga River means Hooghly River is entered into the Bay of Bengal from West Bengal. Here in West Bengal, Ganga is formed one of the delta. This name of the delta, Ganga Delta. Ganga Delta. Ganga Delta, according to the India, according to the area, is a biggest delta in India. Biggest in India. Okay, right. The length of the Ganga River is a 25 kilometers in Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Okay, right. So this Ganga River is in India, which is the longest and biggest river of India, means Ganga. According to the length, according to the basin region, which is the biggest means Ganga Delta. Which is the biggest delta in India means Ganga Delta. The delta is formed in West Bengal by the Hooghly River. Okay. So Kolkata is on the bank of the Hooghly River in West Bengal. Right. There are the Ganga River has a two type of the tributaries from. These are the left side tributaries. These are the right side tributaries. Right now, I can go to the left side tributaries. These are called the name of the river, left side tributaries. Ramu Ganga River. Second is the Sharada River and Kali River and Gomati River and also Gagra River and also Gandak River, Kosi River. Okay, these are the left side tributary of the Sindhu. Okay, right side tributary of the Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa, Kane, Son, Damodar. These are the right side tributary of the Ganga River. Okay, this is about the Ganga River. So in Ganga River, which is the biggest and longest tributary of the Ganga means Yamuna, longest. Second longest, Gagra. Okay, Gomati, on the bank of the Gomati River, Lucknow city is there. And also Sarayu River is a left side tributary. Sarayu is on the bank of the Sarayu River, Ayodhya city is there. Okay. And Gagra River, Lucknow city is there. Gomati River, Lucknow is there. Lucknow is on the bank of the Gomati River. Okay. Kolkata is on the bank of the Hooghly River or Ganga River. Patna is on the bank of the Ganga River, and also Varanasi is on the bank of the Ganga River. Allahabad is also on the bank of the Ganga River. Okay, Allahabad is on the bank of the Ganga River. Okay, right. This is a Allahabad city. From Ganga River is passing like this. Yamuna River is entered into the Ganga from Allahabad. Saraswati River also is one of the internal river, is passing through the internal, then entered into the Ganga at near to the Allahabad. So here Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. These are three rivers. They are integrated at Prayaga. Prayaga is one of the place in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. So generally this Prayaga is called as a Indian biggest Triveni Sangam. Okay. So this is about the right. Now I can explain about the South Indian rivers. That is about the North Indian means Himalayan river. Now I can go for the Peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers. Right. There are the Peninsular River. There are the total number of Peninsular rivers are there. In South India, in Peninsular River, which is the biggest river, means Godavari. In India, which is biggest means Ganga. In South India, which is the biggest means Godavari. Second biggest means Krishna River. Okay, right. Now I can explain about the Godavari rivers. Now I can go about the Godavari. Generally in South India, which is oldest means Godavari. Okay. And also Godavari is in South India biggest. Godavari river, which is called as a Vruddha Ganga. Vruddha, another name. Another name of the Godavari, Vruddha Ganga. And also Dakshina Ganga, also which is called. And also Indian Rain River, Indian Rain River also, which is called. Okay, right. These are the another name of the Godavari. Right. Right now, see diagram. Godavari River, which taken the birth in Western Ghats in Maharashtra. This is in Maharashtra, Western Ghats. Godavari River is taken the birth at Nasik Trayambak. Nasik Trayambak in Maharashtra. From Nasik Trayambak to, it is coming from the, is next entered into the Telangana. From Telangana to is entered into the Andhra Pradesh. Telangana to is next entered into the Andhra Pradesh. Is a Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, which passing from the three states, is finally entered into the Bay of Bengal from the Antarvedi. Antarvedi is in East Godavari in Andhra Pradesh, right? Is a Godavari river which taken the birth. Its total length is a 1465 kilometers in Andhra Pradesh. From Telangana, it's passing from the 8 districts of the Telangana. This Godavari first entered into the Telangana from Kandukurti. Kandukurti is in Nizamabad district. Godavari first entered into the Nizamabad district from Kandukurti. At Kandukurti, this Kandukurti is in Nizamabad, Godavari entered, and Manjira River also is entered into Godavari, Manjira, and Haridra River. These are 3 rivers, they are integrated at the Kandukurti village. So that's why this Kandukurti, which is called as a Triveni Sangama Telangana. Triveni Sangam of Telangana also, which is called. Okay, right. So this Godavari River is passing from the 8 Indian districts, 8 Telangana districts. The name of the district, first district is a Nizamabad, and Nizamabad, Nirmal, and also Jagityala, Manchiriala, and also Peddapalli. Next, Manchiriala, Peddapalli, Jaishankar, Mulugu, and also Bhadradri. Okay, these are the districts from this 8 districts which is passing through the Telangana. Next, it is from the Andhra Pradesh. Is a total length of the Godavari in Telangana 485 kilometers. Is from only Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari plus East Godavari. Okay, right. So it's tributaries of the Godavari tributaries. There are the Manjira, Pranahita, Penuganga, Venuganga, Vardha, Indravati, Shabari, Seeleru, Kinnerasani. These are the main tributaries of the Godavari. Okay, right. Before entered into Bay of Bengal, which formed one of the delta, this name of the delta, Godavari Delta, which is called as a Kona Sima. Konasima is in Andhra Pradesh, is a biggest agriculture region. Is in South India, Godavari Delta is the biggest. In India, first biggest Ganga Delta, second one is the Godavari Delta. Okay, this is about the Godavari River. Okay, next class I can go for the Krishna River. Okay, all the best.